Hi, animal science students. And what I got up here is, I haven't tried this before. I've seen this a couple times, and I showed it a similar one once. And what it's basically is because you guys have done an awesome job with the chickens. And with the chickens, the next thing that we do is produce them into meat. And up on the screen now, you guys can see them as meat. I usually don't have time for it, but this year the opportunity presents itself with State FFA Convention, and here's a new documentary. It does have some parts in it that is not anything that I haven't said that we wouldn't be doing in class, but it has parts of where they show some of the butchering process. Please make sure that you understand that that's on here and prepare yourself for it. Next week, our chickens are to the age to where we show you what this video is all about and how individuals are preparing themselves for the meat process. It's not something that is rainbows and unicorns. It's going to be the actual steps. And so this video is an entertainment video. And so that's because you guys have done awesome, and I appreciate how you guys are working on with the chores. There is room for improvement in showing me that indications that you're learning the material, but definitely in terms of chores, you guys do a great job. On today, you finished up recording. Please make sure that you record all of your numbers properly and that you guys are keeping up to date for your feed conversions. Some of you guys need to do a better job than others. And then tomorrow you'll get time to check your feeders and waters and then watch this video. So recapping, this video does have some graphic images of what happens to the livestock that we raise. And it's also kind of a documentary that's got some entertainment value to it. So thank you. Enjoy.